Hi, this is Federal Criminal Defense Attorney John Teakell, and I'd like to talk for a little bit about the federal charge of manufacturing firearms. Now, weapons charges in federal court charged by the U.S. Attorney's Office, the Federal Prosecutor's Office, commonly are felons in possession of a firearm, that is, somebody who has a felony conviction who cannot possess or own a firearm, can't even possess one, without the risk of being charged criminally with another charge, or sales of firearms without a license. These are common charges in federal court. On a felon in possession of a firearm is also a common charge in state court. Manufacturing firearms without a license, without a federal license, is a fairly common charge in federal court as well. The problem that a number of people run into is that they don't believe that they are violating the law. That is, they don't believe that they are manufacturing a firearm. A good example would be someone who obtains legally purchased legitimate legal parts and they assemble a firearm for themselves. You can do that, and you can do that on a small basis. The problem that some people run into is they start doing it on a wholesale basis, or they get paid for it by someone else to do that for them. Although they're not technically manufacturing, or it doesn't appear that they're manufacturing, because they have legitimately, legally obtained parts that could turn into a fully functioning firearm. The problem some people have, again, is they start doing that, and then that will draw the attention of federal authorities, where it appears that they are part of a manufacturing firearms conspiracy. The other issue, the other potential problem, is the federal code does not clearly define what manufacturing is. It doesn't say you can do this, but you can't do that. It simply says you cannot manufacture. So a number of people who have legitimately obtained legal parts who start doing assembling and putting together rifles that are fully functioning on a wholesale basis, and or they get paid for it by other people, that's where you run into situations, and this is one of the examples of how somebody could be charged under investigation or charged by the U.S. Attorney's Office for manufacturing firearms. If you know someone who's under investigation for manufacturing firearms or any other weapons charge, call me, John Teakell, and I'll be glad to help them. Thank you.